All right, we are at the 5th Street East Skyway. Look at this. It's an MRL. Here's the elevator.
Look, you see the motor up there. It's on top.
It's an MRL.
I wonder who installed this.
We'll find out. Let me take a look at it. I don't know, but it's MRL.
Send us down a G.
All right, here we go. It smells like cigarette smoke. Let me look out this window. Watch this, you'll see the camera light. Here at the ground, look how slow that door is.
Wow.
It's on up to S.
Well, yeah, wait for it. Let's help it a little bit.
There it goes. Look at the colors.
All right, I'll watch out this side now.
What a good motor.
Here, look, the motor's on the ceiling.
I know, it's got a good motor.
I wonder, it sounds like an eco disc, but it's not. Look, the motor's up on the ceiling there, I think.
This, I don't know who this is. Look at that, that motor was epic.
Encoder. See it? It's up on the ceiling there.
There's the governor, look, you can see the governor working.
We'll call it back up?
Yeah, call it back up.
The door takes forever. What? I wonder what brand this is.
I don't know, I'm gonna try to zoom in on it. Let me zoom in on that.
Actually, I want to get over here.
Encoder inside, did you call the elevator up?
Yeah, it'll be up in a bit.
This is an epic MRL.
Actually, we're going to watch the counterweight go down.
You can see the governor up there, watch it. Is it coming?
Here it comes. Maybe. The door's really slow, remember? Here's the
2
elevator.
to 1, underslow.
That is pretty cool.
So yeah, this is a cool elevator. Unknown brand, MRL. And there it goes.
That was pretty cool.
That was cool.